In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to build a WordPress website. Key points. First, choose the right WordPress.com plan or a hosting provider for your WordPress website. Secure a domain name and choose a reliable hosting service. WordPress.com comes pre-installed. Users can install WordPress via their hosting provider. Pick a theme that aligns with your site's purpose and aesthetic. Start adding posts and pages to fill your site with content. Tailor your site's appearance and functionality to suit your needs. Also, you can extend your site's capabilities with plugins, but use them sparingly to maintain performance. Keep your site fast and responsive to ensure a positive user experience, and then draw ideas from successful WordPress sites, but maintain your unique identity. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.